Morning traders, Nick Master from Trading Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market bias video for Wednesday, November 23rd. It's approximately 10 minutes to 7 a.m. on the East Coast. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia traded mainly higher with the exception of the Singapore Exchange, which is down fractionally at this particular point. Everything else is trading higher. Further right now in Europe, and this current ongoing, Europe is open and trading. Europe is trading mixed, if you will, with half the exchanges trading higher, the other half trading lower. And if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading lower. The bonds are trading higher. At least the 30-year bond and the ultra bond are both trading higher. All the other notes, etc., are trading lower, which leads us to think that perhaps what's going to happen as the morning progresses, the 30-year bond and the ultra bond may be going into negative territory. The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all pointing to a higher open. Gold is trading lower, as is crude oil. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we've got somewhat of a mini tsunami, if you will, in terms of economic news. And it would appear that so everything's trying to be fit into today because tomorrow is a Thanksgiving holiday. Friday is an abbreviated session, so there's not going to really be very much there. So what we're seeing is a lot of these reports being combined into today. At 8:30 a.m. we have durable goods, core durable goods. This is major. These are proven market movers. At 8:30 a.m. we also have unemployment claims, which is typical, usual, and customary, usually for a Thursday. However, Thursday is being pushed into today because of Thanksgiving, or the Thanksgiving holiday. At 9:45 we have flash services PMI, flash manufacturing PMI. At 10 a.m. we have new home sales, again major, and a proven market mover. At 10 a.m. we have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. These are not considered to be major because they are revised numbers as opposed to preliminary. There's always greater weight associated with preliminary as opposed to revised. At 10:30 a.m. we have crude oil inventory, again typical, usual, customary for a Wednesday, but we also have natural gas storage out at 12 noon. To top it all off, at 2 p.m. this afternoon we have the FOMC meeting minutes, which again is major. All this being said, our bias is to the upside. And the reason why we're suggesting an upside bias, U.S. dollar is trading lower. We suspect that the bonds will be trading lower at some point during this session. Gold is trading lower. Crude oil is trading lower. So as it stands right now, our bias is to the upside, again because it seems to be correlated that way. The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open, although fractionally at this particular point. But it is correlated that way, hence our bias is to the upside. Could this change? Absolutely. Another thing that we're thinking about is, again, being that today is the day before a major holiday, we're thinking that the markets probably want to end on a high note. At least that's what we're thinking. Again, time will tell if that holds true or not. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to next time with you.